Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel Gamars. Today, we have an exciting product review for you. Enhance your DIY experience with magnetic wristbands. A comprehensive product review in the world of do-it-yourself, DIY, projects. Efficiency and convenience are paramount. Magnetic wristbands have emerged as innovative tools designed to streamline your DIY experience by keeping small metal objects within easy reach. In this review, we will delve into the features, benefits, and real-world applications of magnetic wristbands to help you decide whether they are a worthy addition to your toolkit. One of the key factors that sets magnetic wristbands apart is their thoughtful design. Constructed with durable and breathable materials, these wristbands offer a comfortable fit for extended wear. The embedded magnets, strategically placed around the band, provide a secure hold for metal objects such as screws, nails, and drill bits. The adjustable straps ensure a snug fit for users of all wrist sizes, making them versatile for a wide range of DIY enthusiasts. The magnetic wristband's practicality truly shines in everyday DIY tasks. No more fumbling around for loose screws or searching for dropped nails. With a magnetic wristband, these small metal items are always at your fingertips. Whether you're assembling furniture, working on a home improvement project, or tinkering with electronics, the convenience of having your tools readily accessible on your wrist is a game changer. Time is of the essence in DIY projects, and the magnetic wristband proves to be a time-saving ally. The effortless retrieval of metal objects eliminates the need to pause and search for tools, allowing you to maintain focus and momentum throughout your tasks. This efficiency not only speeds up the completion of projects but also enhances the overall experience, turning mundane tasks into a seamless and enjoyable process. Investing in quality tools is essential for any DIY enthusiast, and the durability of magnetic wristbands adds value to the overall toolkit. The robust construction ensures that these wristbands can withstand the rigors of various work environments, from woodworking shops to garage workshops. The embedded magnets maintain their strength over time, providing a reliable and consistent grip for years to come. While magnetic wristbands are a boon for DIY enthusiasts, their versatility extends to various professions. Carpenters, mechanics, electricians, and even hobbyists can benefit from the hands-free convenience these wristbands offer. The adaptability of magnetic wristbands to different settings underscores their universal appeal, making them a practical tool for a diverse range of users. Magnetic wristbands prove to be a valuable addition to any toolkit, offering a perfect blend of convenience, efficiency, and durability. The innovative design, coupled with the hands-free accessibility of tools, makes these wristbands a game-changer for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Whether you're a seasoned craftsman or a weekend warrior, the magnetic wristband is a small investment that yields significant returns in terms of time saved and overall project satisfaction. Elevate your DIY experience with this simple yet impactful tool that puts the power of magnetism right at your fingertips.